Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to enable or disable two-step verification on Telegram Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Telegram app and tap on this three-line icon and tap on settings and tap on privacy and security and tap on two-step verification. Tap on set password, enter a password here and tap on next. Re-enter the password, tap on next, and you can create an optional hint for your password, but right now I'm going to skipping this part. And you can enter a recovery email address here. I'm going to skipping. Now tap on return to settings. So that's how we can enable two-step verification on Telegram. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.